Hey y'all, it's time for a product review. This time we're reviewing Citrusafe Barbecue Grill Cleaner. It says it's safe for your family and Teflon grease. I'm not even sure where I got it, to be honest, but I got it, and I'm not going to use it on the griddle surface because I don't want to take off the surface, the seasoning. But I lay my spatula here, I may set food on it, and it's always covered with grease splatter. My windscreens, both the homemade and the fancy Blackstone windscreens, they get covered in grease and spatter. This was greasy and nasty until I used this, and it worked great. It even worked on that. I used it on my grease thing, which I put foil into to see if that would help keep it from getting so nasty. What else did I? Oh, hello, Mr. Bird. Oh, big bird. Anyway, I was distracted by the sparkly. Yeah, it worked great on that. It worked great on the grease box. It even worked on my table surface, and it's safe for food. So I'm happy, and I heartily recommend it for everything except the griddle surface itself, which I could use and then have to re-season it, but I don't want to do that. Actually, I have done that when necessary, but I don't want to have to do that today. Anyway, that's my review of Citrusafe, in case you need to clean up with something non-toxic too. So yeah, there you go. And that's a wrap, y'all. Bye.